Hi guys, we are going to see practical question number 2 from material costing. A company manufactures a special product named Alpha. The following particulars are collected for the year 2022-23. Annual demand of Alpha 8,000 units. This is A. Cost of placing an order, that is ordering cost or buying cost, 200 rupees per order. This is our B. Cost per unit, this is the purchase price, which is 400 rupees. Carrying cost per annum, 20 percentage. So this is given in percentage. Whenever some cost is given in percentage, it should be found on the purchase price or cost per unit. 400 into 20 percentage comes to rupees 80. This is our carrying cost per unit per annum. The company has been offered a quantity discount of 4 percentage on the purchase of Alpha, provided the order size is 400 components. So the company has been given a quantity discount 4 percentage. If we order 4,000 units per order, so what will be the quantity discount? 400 rupees is the cost per unit minus 4 percentage comes to 384 rupees. So if we order 4,000 units per order, then we will get the unit price will be 384 rupees instead of 400 rupees. We have to compute the EOQ and state whether the quantity discount offer can be accepted. Okay, let's start very simply. Let's find the EOQ is equal to root of 2AB C. A is annual demand, B is buying cost or ordering cost, C is carrying cost. 2 into 8,000 units into 200 per order divided by 80 rupees. 2 into 8,000 units into 200 divided by 80 comes to 200 units is our EOQ. Now the second part is somewhat analytical. State whether the quantity discount offer can be accepted. So we have to make a decision. So how will we come to this decision? We should find the total cost if we follow EOQ and total cost if we follow 4,000 components per order. So we should compare these both, and which is more economical, we should choose that. Okay, so first let's do total cost if we follow EOQ. Okay, what does total cost consist of? Purchase price, ordering cost, and carrying cost. Purchase price, 8,000 units into 400 per unit. Am I right? 8,000 into 400 comes to 32 lakh. Then we have ordering cost. Okay, so 8,000 units is our annual demand. EOQ is 200 units, which comes to 8,000 divided by 200, 40 orders. Per order, 200, 8,000. Carrying cost will also be 8,000 because at EOQ, ordering cost and carrying cost is at an equilibrium point. It's equal at this point. Let's cross check carrying cost. What is the EOQ? 200 units. Divided by 2, we get average inventory, which is 100 units. 100 units into 80 because carrying cost per unit is 80. 80 into 100, 8,000. So it's matched. Total is 32 lakh 16,000. So this is total cost if we follow EOQ. Now we should find total cost if we follow 4000 components per order, 4000 units per order, and we get the quantity discount of 4%. First we have to find purchase price. 8000 units is the annual demand into 400 minus 4%. So if we order 4000 per order, we get a 4% quantity discount. So the cost per unit will reduce. We already found out 400 minus 4% is 384 into 8000 units comes to 30,72,000. Okay. What is the ordering cost? Very easy. If we order 4000 per order, then our total demand is 8000. So it will be 2 orders. 8000 units divided by 4000 units, which is per order, comes to 2 orders. And per order it's 200. Am I right? It's 400. Now, carrying cost. I would say most students will make a mistake here. They will just put 4000 divided by 2 into 80. No, this is wrong. See, carrying cost is 20% on cost per unit. In the first scenario, in EOQ, our cost per unit was 400 rupees. But in the second scenario, we are availing a quantity discount of 4%. In that time, our cost per unit is 384. Now the carrying cost should be found on this value. On this value, we have to find 20%, and that is a carrying cost in case of situation number 2. So let's find that out. What is the carrying cost? 384 into 20% comes to 76.8. This is the carrying cost per unit per annum in case of situation number 2, where we are availing quantity discount of 4%. 4000 units is the order size. Divided by 2, we'll get average inventory is equal to 2000 units into 76.8. Okay. $1,53,600 plus 400 plus 30,72,000. We will get 32,26,000. So when we are following EOQ, our total cost is 32,16,000. But when we follow 4000 units per order, it is 32,26,000. Now we can itself see that it is more economical to follow EOQ. So our conclusion should be like this. The company should not accept quantity discount offer because following EOQ is more economical. Sometimes the question will also ask for savings in case of following EOQ, like illustration questions. So we can, it is not required in this question, but we can still do it. Savings in following EOQ. 32,26,000 minus 32,16,000 comes to 10,000 rupees of savings. So that's it. We have to find EOQ, total cost if we follow EOQ, and total cost if we follow 4000 orders, 4000 units per order, sorry, and we should compare, and which is more economical, we should choose that option. Thank you.